Hi, it's Mids from My Life Mids. Thank you so much for stopping by. So today I wanted to do an unboxing of this order that I made last week. I want to say Thursday, Friday, I believe. And I guess just some quick updates. I have several videos coming up soon, and there's going to be a lot of unboxing videos. I just wanted to give you the heads up. But anyways, this I've been using for well over, I want to say definitely over a month, but I'll be doing an unboxing video of this. It's already uploaded. I just need to, I guess, make it live, but this is what it looks like. I guess I want to give you a sneak peek. So there will be an unboxing of this. There's also an unboxing of this Traveler's, sorry, it's a folio, and I've been using this for several weeks now, so there will be an unboxing of this as well. And this is another unboxing. So I just want to give you the heads up. The next several videos coming your way will be most likely unboxing videos, and I hope that's okay. I want to film more journal with me videos, but I just haven't had the time to journal really, and I still like to share videos with you. So yes, I'm going to be sharing the unboxing videos with you. So this I ordered from the Traveler's Factory. For those of you who don't know, I live in Japan, not really in Tokyo, but yes. So I've placed an order from Traveler's Factory, and I wanted to share with you what I got. So let me open this up. Here it is. There's a business card. Travelers Company official online shop. Yes, and so there are three Travelers Factory shops in the Tokyo area. There's one in Nakameguro, which is the original flagship store. There's one in Narita, and one in the Tokyo Station. So that's what it looks like. So let's see what I got. It came with one of these newsletters. I have another one here so you can see what it looks like. This is issue number 12 from last, I don't know how often they come out, every quarter I think, but this is the last one, and this is issue number 13. So I appreciate these newsletters. Unfortunately I can't read it, but lots of inspiration. Something like this is really, really nice. I wish I could do something like this. I know it would take me forever to do the drawings of the actual places and things, but it would be so neat. Look at that. Lots of inspiration. This is Superior Labor. Right now they have a collaboration going on with Superior Labor, and if you go to the Traveler's Factory store in Nakameguro, they have a special section where they sell these Superior Labor items. Alright, so let's get into the unboxing, or unbagging I guess. Let's see what I purchased from the Traveler's Factory. So here is the 2019 monthly. Right now they have a promotion going on. If you purchase any of the diary items, they ship for free. So I use this, actually I'll show you right now. I use this in here. Let me just take out my kids' journals. I write to them in these journals. But yeah, I keep it in here like this. I just tuck it in on the side, and it's a nice spot to write down quickly, you know, your appointments and things, and then I keep this in my purse. So there's the diary. To accompany the diary, I purchased the shitachiki, which is like the writing board. It's really nice. I really like the gold foil. I'm going to try and do close-ups if I can. It's It's really nice. I had no idea that they had this gold foil on there. So there's the passport size shitachiki, or the writing board. So that's what it looks like on the back. Of course, I also purchased the regular size shitachiki, the regular size writing board. And this is gold foil as well, but I find that, I don't know, maybe it's the same. It is the same. I don't know. I thought this was shinier, but it looks like to be the same when I compare the two. Add some music to your trip. And that's the back side. It's not brown. It's, I think it's navy. There's the back side. I purchased some of these short trip blank page refills. I appreciate these smaller ones because the regular size, I find that it takes longer for me to finish, and because I do a lot of tip-ins and I put in a lot of ephemera from my trips, it gets quite bulky, so I like these half-size ones. The next thing is the customized sticker set for the 2019 calendar. I will open this up and share with you what it looks like inside. There's 6 sheets. Oh my gosh, can you say that really quickly? 6 sheets of stickers. Oh my god. Alright, let's open this up. Sorry, I'm a bit quiet because my daughter is napping in the other room there. Okay, so there's this standard information, how to use form or sheet. It's on every sticker set. This is the first page. I always really like their stickers. They're really nice quality stickers, and I like to use them to decorate the file folder. And then this year there's the navy blue, the orange, the olive. You know, year to year they're a little bit different, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. This is the same. This is the icons. I don't really use this sheet. I use this one from time to time because it is kind of like a translucent color, and they're good for highlighting calendar. I don't think this was there last year, was it? I'm not sure, but it's a really nice touch to have the music and the birthdays. If you're a big concert goer or musicals or anything like that, you can use those number stickers on your calendar. And these are really neat. They're actually pockets. I'm trying to think if I have it right now in my travelers. Actually, I don't. But these are pockets, and they're sticky pockets. I don't know if you can see, but there's a slit. You can see. Let's peel this off. You can see there's a hole there. Right, it goes right across the top there, and then you can stick in small little ephemera, maybe like tickets. Actually, maybe not tickets. Maybe they don't hold up for like really thick papers, but small little things you can stick in these adhesive pockets. And I love the cassettes, and this one here is really nice. And then, oh, are these rub-ons? Oh, that's a really nice touch. Oh, I'm going to really appreciate this. I wish they would sell this separately. It was several years ago where I had like the passport size sold the rub-ons, just letters and numbers, and it was perfect to write in my calendar. I don't see them anymore though. It's been several years now. Sorry, I just knocked over the tripod there, but this is really nice. I'm really glad this is in there. I wish they would sell these separately, the rub-on letters. So those are the stickers. And then lastly are the leather folders. And this specific design is limited to any online purchases. If you visit the flagship store or the other Travelers Factory shops in Japan, they have different design leather folders. So let's open this one up. This is the regular size and the passport size. And I'm going to film the close-ups with you. Oh, this is really nice. I'm going to film the close-ups for you at the end of the video. Natural tanned leather. I'm assuming this is where it's from. This leather company here. I don't know that. Is it Tochigi? Tochigi Leather Company, I think. Hashimoto Sangyo Company. Tochigi Leathers. Yes. So that's the company. So it's, I don't know if you can really see that there, but it says veg tan, vegetable tanning. Wow, it's really nice. It's really thin. It's very, very thin. Actually, I don't think I've ever seen leather this thin before, to be honest with you. I mean, I've seen pockets, like leather, thin leather for pockets, but I don't think I've seen, let me compare it to this one here. It's quite thin too, but yeah, like, you can see it's very, very thin. It's more, oh, it's really hard to see, but it's more thin than this one here. And I thought that this was quite thin, but this is really, really thin. Which I really like, because I'm all about being lightweight, and oh, that's really nice. It's really, really smooth and soft. It's not really like a squishy leather, but it's very, very smooth. And it's floppy. Of course, you can put in your things. Let's see. What it looks like inside. It fits right. It's perfect for the traveler's notebook. I will most likely put it in the back here. I may maybe take out my folder. Oh, it's really nice. So if you're ever visiting Japan and you're going to visit the Traveler's Factory stores, I highly recommend getting the folder. I think it would be really nice to have in here if you have certain papers that you don't want, you know, wrinkled or damaged, or let's say you have, you know, you go to somewhere and you have these nice tickets, and you don't want them to get bent or anything. I think it would be nice to put in this cover, and because it is leather, it will definitely last a lot longer than like the plastic sleeve or the craft paper sleeve. This is really nice. And that's the, I don't know how they, I don't think it's stamped. I think it's burnt on there. I'm not sure what the process is, but I don't know. I don't think it's stamped, but it's really nice. And that's the back side. The leather, sorry, the passport size one, it looks like this. So I think that's the company in collaboration with Traveler's Factory. I don't know if I want to open this one up. There's a little bit of like markings and things, which I'm not bothered by at all. I don't know. The thing is, I'm not using my passport size right now, so I don't know if I want to open this up yet. You know, if I'm not using my passport size yet, I might end up gifting this to somebody, so I don't want to open that up yet. But that's what the logo looks like for the passport size. But yeah, this is really nice. It's so smooth. But yes, I really appreciate the thin leathers. But let me just leave that in there so that I can start using it. Right now I just have I think I'm going to do an updated analog system, because I'm using totally different traveler's notebooks and journals and things. So but yeah, this is all I'm using for my travelers right now. So that is it for updates and my Traveler's Factory haul. So I don't know if, I know I mentioned in my other video, but I think this video is going to go up earlier. So I just wanted to give you a heads up, I suppose, that there will be a giveaway coming up soon. I like to kind of embed the giveaway within the video, so stay tuned for that. if you are new to the channel, don't forget to comment. There's a hint there. But yes, I like to kind of, I don't want to say hide the giveaway, but I kind of like to be a little bit sneaky, and I really appreciate those that, you know, watch and follow and comment and like. So there will be a surprise giveaway coming up soon. And yeah, I think that's about it. I have a lot going on right now. Okay, sorry, I'm going to ramble, but I have a lot going on right now. I know in the other video I mentioned, I will be posting it up soon. It's the stationery selection video, but not everybody watches it. So I'm going to be moving in a couple weeks, and we were kind of told about it not too long ago. So I'm like maximum stress level right now, and yeah, I don't know. I don't really have words. But anyways, I apologize in advance for my lack of activity on Instagram and social media. It's just really tough right now with the packing and then trying to ship out all of the stationery selection boxes by the end of this month, and then moving. We're hopefully getting an extension until the middle of October, but we haven't even like found a place yet. We haven't even started looking for apartments, and it's already, I think it's the 3rd week of September, something like that. I'm just I don't know what to do. The unboxing videos, there's going to be more unboxing videos because I filmed these weeks ago, and even this one like over a month ago, the unboxing for this one. This one, it's been several weeks, almost a month maybe, I'm not sure. But yes, so stay tuned for the unboxing videos of these 2 lovely items, and I will leave it at that. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.